We got the old man, the old geezer out here today helping.
Yeah, both the old men today.
Old man.
Wouldn't you know it, a little grinder action, and this is what we have left of our hood. All right, so we got all the hood pieces put away for right now. This is the main project we wanted to get kind of taken care of today, at least get all that disassembled.
It's all apart. We don't have a hood anymore. We got parts of a hood.
Just parts, like this whole truck, a bunch of parts.
Yeah, but like Ryan said, you know, this piece is super expensive, but it's actually still in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of dents. Just this one in this corner that you can barely notice, but
Once you sand it down, I think it will be all right.
yeah, but we're gonna high polish it up, and that's gonna be probably a lot easier than doing that truck when it's on the hood. Because we didn't want to mess up the paint, but I think we're gonna do it before we paint.
What we could probably do is put the grinder in the vise and kind of make a stationary grinder,
Whatever, like the wheel thingy.
Yeah, the polishing wheel, and just run it through there.
Yeah, whatever it's called. But yeah, so we got all of our pieces. I mean, this is the only piece that's actually gonna go back on
The hood.
for the chrome grow surround piece. This is actually the only one that's gonna go back on. So we're replacing all the other.
Hey Dave, that's aluminum.
That's chrome, same thing. But yeah, so we'll clean it up pretty nice. Maybe we'll clean up the insides too, make it look all pretty, or paint it or something.
Polish that as well.
Alright, so we got this lower fairing piece on right here. It's we had one rivet in it, it's still on the back side, but we have to put 6 on the back side, and then these bolts here. But it's a pain changing around the head on this gun because there's so many different sizes of these rivets. We had like these special ones with these like break points on them, like there. Then there's
Those
other
ones are for the chrome grill.
Yeah, but we've been doing this for what, 2 hours?
Yeah, because we're mismatching pieces together from
it's
new
just
hood,
a
old hood.
big jigsaw puzzle put together with everything's got its little intricate piece that it needs. So, but we got this on, and now we're gonna go to the outside skin, right?
We got to put the brace along the top that goes from that corner all the way over to this corner to stabilize the whole hood. And then once we do that, I think we should flip on
Probably
the
the
top
bottom.
skin. Yeah, we got to put that bottom rail on and then flip on the top skin for that side. So that way then it starts holding everything together as we wrap around. And then put
Yeah,
the
but
side
it's
skin
getting
on.
there. You can see a shell of a hood starting to be built. So
Slowly but surely.
yeah.
Alright guys, so we were able to get this panel put on. Now these hoods are like a giant jigsaw puzzle, so some rivets actually go through the whole outer panel, the inside support panel, and then actually hold the bracket on. So a few times we had to grind some of them out just to put on the correct bracketry so it was all one hit. But this panel is on, and all the stainless ones down here, those are taken care of as well. Truckshrouds really does an amazing job. A lot of this is just, you line it up and boom, hold the hole. It's perfect. Not much adjustment we had to do. Everything was kind of straightforward. We modified a little bit of stuff, like, these brackets down here, instead of putting just the riv nut, we actually put a bolt on the back side. So a lot of it's, you know, we're trying to do it, you know, more secure when we put it back together, so that way there's less air for stretch cracks and stuff. And now it's just putting on the front. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the top 2 crown pieces, and we're gonna get this taken care of. So let's grab them and get it together. Just got the second panel put on. Not bad, both top caps are on. It's a lot easier when we tried to put the rivets through here to kind of make the panel stationary. Did all the top crowns. We got the old man, the old geezer out here today helping.
Got both the old men today.
Old man. So that's looking good, it's coming together. This side from here totally looks brand new. Well, it is all brand new.
It's our New Year's present to ourselves.
Yeah, I guess so. One heck of a New Year's present.
Happy New Year's, everyone.
All right, well, let's grow it. We got to grab that center strip and get going.
All right, let's keep on it.
So we just finished the hood, and well, here she is. So it's got all new panels from Truckshrouds. John hooked us up out there, got us all these nice brand new panels, as well as these bottom stainless, these are stainless grill pieces. We reused the crown because the crown in itself is about $1,000. So we, not that we're cutting corners, but we got to try to save money wherever we can. And these were relatively inexpensive. And then also down here, we got the new lip. We're gonna order a custom grill, maybe get like the A3G logo cut in the bottom of it, because we all put a lot of sweat equity in this truck, and I think maybe having our little logo on the outside as well as the inside would be cool. But these panels, if you guys ever need new panels for your truck, go check them out. You know, they fit like factory, and they're about half the cost. So these are fantastic panels. We had to reuse some of the old parts. You can kind of come in here and look and see, this is a whole completely new skin on the side, but we were able to salvage and reuse the one over here. It's a lot prettier when it's all, you know, freshly polished stainless. It looks awesome. And then we were able to pull the brackets off. We still got to put our J-hooks down here, but we pulled these off, sandblasted the brackets, painted them up. Then we got our hooks over here also that we sandblasted, and then prime those up. So we got some self-etch on there so that way those guys don't rust. We have all new bushings, and we gave it a try at trying to do some polishing. And I think I might have my buddy come out here, that 10-4 detailing, Scott, and just do it the right way, because you know, we got the gun, we tried it, and you get messy, and if you don't really know what you're doing, it's probably just easier to pay somebody a few $100, support a small local polisher. But and then another thing we're doing on this one too is down here at the hood latches, we're going to hide the hood latch. So we filled this in with rivets. The hood latch is actually going to be down on the bottom, so you don't even see it from the hood. But we're happy with it. I think this was a heck of a job to tackle on this truck, basically rebuilding the whole hood. So if you guys are happy with it, leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you guys have used Truck Shroud products before. If you haven't or you're thinking about it, go pay them a visit. We'll leave their link down in the description as well. But I think for the most part, guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. You know, I apologize about not having a video up basically all of December, but we've been busy with some of the other stuff, so we're going to jump back on all of these projects that we got going on. Hopefully get this one finished up, And then we can start working on that W900 that's sitting outside. I know a lot of you guys are excited about that one, the flat class Aero 9 truck. So we're gonna do our best to get this one, you know, at least to a manageable point and start working on that one. But we don't wanna have too many things going on at once because that's when you start making mistakes. So guys, we appreciate you watching. Happy New Year, and we'll catch you guys all in the next one. And until then, remember, keep them wheels rolling.